Right guys, this next stop that I'm at now, there's two properties and they are 200 meters apart, and my O's is only 100 meters plus whatever this yellow one is extended on it from a pole. So what I do is I park halfway in between, so I'll park here. Now I've got one property right down there, and then the other is up that way. So I'm going to do that one first because the back of the van is pointing that way. I'll do that one second. Right, so that's the full 100 meters out. I need to just walk up to this one now, get the first one done. It just saves me parking up twice. It does save time. I've trialed and errored it for long enough now. So it's just 100 meters this way, and then technically you could say 200 meters back because I've got to walk back to the van and then past it to get to the other. It's just pulling up cable, the hose. It's easier to say cable because it looks like an electrical cable. That's just about got it all. There we are. So I'm on this property now. On these small properties. This is I think this is a one bed actually. Two at most. And then the one after this is a bungalow. So nice quick cleans in one park up. And this is Sherburn and Helmet area on my way back from York. I always do the windows above a window first to give them a chance to drip off. Not many windows on it. And because there's a roof here, I can do this one underneath straight away while the others are still dripping off. The weather's turned out nice this morning. It's actually warm. this side window now. Since that one above it's had time to drip. Stop dripping, should I say. It's always good if you don't have to park up as much. You get as many in as you can in one stop. It does save time. I know you've got to pull your full reel out, but yeah, it saves fuel as well. Not sure how long this is taking, but it's very quick. It's only a tiny property. Right, let's go do the bungalow now. So that's a 200-metre walk. I think maybe that's why I might be going through more hose pipe than normal, because I drag it with me a little bit more than normal. If I was doing more stops, it'd be less dragging. Looks like there's a bit of hose there coiled up, so I've still got a little bit left spare. I'll have to undo that knot. There we are. And here's my van. So that's 100 metres walked back. Very quickly. And then past it, just pull, and it'll come. I'm going down here to this bungalow. Oops, I've pulled the reel over. I'll have to go deal with that now. That doesn't always happen. But on this occasion, because I'm recording, it decided to be awkward. Oh, I know why. It's that knot there that's pulled on it, I think. Let's try again. Guarantee if I wasn't recording then, I wouldn't have had an hiccup. I think it's pulling it again for some reason. Oh, I'll have to go sort it. Sorry guys. I think it's something to do with this knot here. It's pulling the end bit from the reel. Got tangled with the last part of it. Oh, I'm here anyway. Hope you guys can hear me properly, because I do talk quietly. I've got my microphone on my cap today, just trialling that out. See if it works better. There we are. The back of this property. Reached, no problem. some guys out there might think, oh, that's a good idea, and trial it and think, well, it does, it works. And some of you might think, don't work for me, sorry, because everything I do doesn't work for everyone. But it's a good tip if you want to try it. It's a bit like fan jets, pencil jets and rinse bars. You go with what you prefer, what works for you, but this works for me. This makes my day quicker. And cheaper. I think this is only a 2-bed bungalow. I like bungalows, they don't take as long and your arms don't drop off having the pole full extended out. You can never get doors 100% because people kick them with shoes and knock them with other things, so they get black marks on. You can get them off if you spend longer on it using other products, but you don't want to be doing that every month. You never get your work done. I'll just collect this quick slick connect so it lasts longer if you pick it up. I like having Vision in my water, Vision V2. Again, that's another product some people like, some people don't, and I love it. I think it gives you shine longer on frames and glass, and it seems to make every 5-week cleans easier. I don't know why or how. It must put like a protection barrier on it, on the glass. But yeah, I like it. What makes me laugh is every month I come, these window ledges are absolutely caked in cobwebs and debris. It's just bizarre. I bet I could do it weekly and it'd be like that. spider season at the minute as well. We've just had a pollen season with the bees getting pollen on the glass. Now it's spider poo and spider webs. A lot of snail trails as well. Right, that's 2 done. Back to the van, reeling back in. Go to my next jobs. I'll walk you back to the van with me. I ain't quite got all the hose. Well, I've got it all out, but I haven't used it quite all. So it's nearly 2 metres, as you can see here on the road. It's a little bit coiled up, so it's not fully out, but it's fully off the reel and it's nearly all used. And we're back. It's as quick as that. And I thought I'd let you watch me reel in as well. Make the viewing longer. I need to tighten this reel up. It's separated in between a little bit, which what happens over time, but it is about 5-6 years old, this reel. Maybe 7 actually. But I've made it easy for myself to reel in by pulling it all out in a straight line. It doesn't feel hard to turn, or it feels nice and loose, so there's no resistance. That's a slip connect. Got a little bit of a twist here. This yellow hose is nearly new. Well, it is. I only changed it the other day due to a burst pipe.